Today I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing these beautiful gel polishes from Born Pretty. I'm gonna start right away here with the unboxing, and this one is a beautiful nude color. I'm applying two coats on these swatches that I'm creating for you today. As you can see, the gel polishes are extremely shiny and they apply very smooth. The second one is another nude color. It's a little bit darker than the first one. I believe that nude colors are an amazing base to start any nail design. At least for me, I use them a lot. I always running out of nude colors. So I'm glad that I have these two right now. The next one is a liner gel polish. The liner gel polish, they come with a very thin brush, and these are meant to create nail art. And as you can see here, I'm using this one to create a Frenchie, just to show you an example. And I struggle creating Frenchies the regular way, just with gel polish and a regular liner brush. In this case today, it came out easier. And the next one is a black liner gel polish, as the white one is to create nail art and to do things like I'm doing right here right now. And the last gel polish that I have today is another liner gel. This one is a silver color. And look guys how smoothly this apply. This is so beautiful, I just love it. So cute. And these are the final swatches for today with all the samples I created for you guys. And today I'm gonna be creating some press-on nails for myself. I'm gonna start by painting the pinky and the thumbnail in black. And then the three center nails are gonna be in nude. Today I'm going to be creating just a simple nail design. And I just wanna say thank you for watching my video and being here. As well, I just wanna let you know that I'm gonna be leaving all the links for all the items used today in the description box below, in case you wanna check it out. I'm gonna be including as well a discount code that I have for Born Pretty. I'm using a rubber top coat from Born Pretty. A rubber top coat is very nice because when you apply it, it levels off very nicely and it evens out any imperfection that you might have on your nails. I really love working with this kind of top coat, and I cure this for 60 seconds. And these are the final results for today. I apply my nails today with nail glue. I push my cuticle and I dehydrate my nails with a nail dehydrator just to make sure I don't have any oils to interfere with the adhesion of the nail glue. And this is the result. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next one.